Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce server costs with Amazon Web Services, full guide step by step clearly. Understand your current server usage and costs. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the billing dashboard to review your spending. Identify the services that contribute most to your expenses. Analyze your current resource utilization. Consider using Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring performance metrics. Right-size your instances if they're underutilized. Switch to a different instance type or size to optimize costs. Utilize AWS Cost Explorer to visualize your spending. Set up defined budgets for your services. Implement AWS Trusted Advisor to receive cost-saving recommendations. Consider using reserved instances for predictable workloads. Evaluate if spot instances could suit your needs for significant savings. Optimize storage costs by reviewing Amazon S3 configurations. Use lifecycle policies to transition infrequently accessed data to cheaper storage classes. Enable Amazon EC2 auto-scaling to adjust capacity based on demand. Consolidate accounts using AWS organizations for better pricing. Review the AWS free tier options to offset costs for eligible services. Implement a tagging strategy for better tracking of resources. Regularly revisit and audit your resource usage. Consider serverless options like AWS Lambda for event-driven workloads. Utilize Amazon Lightsail for simpler, cost-effective applications. Leverage AWS savings plans for flexible cost savings across multiple services. Automate resource shutdowns during off-peak hours with AWS Lambda. Review your architecture for optimization opportunities. Consider hybrid solutions to balance on-premises and cloud costs. Stay updated with AWS pricing changes and new savings plans. Evaluate third-party tools for deeper insights into your AWS spending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.